Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the drawing tools right here in cTrader. The only thing that you need to know to start drawing right here in cTrader is that you need this bar, this toolbar right here. So let's say if you want to draw a line, you can go with your mouse through lines, click on trend line, and then if you click right here, hold your mouse and throw it to there and then leave with your finger the mouse, he will create right here a nice line. Now, if you want to keep this, click then right here. If you want to delete it, click on it and click on delete, and then you delete that. Now, right here we have the pencil, and that is maybe the most important drawing tool, because from here, if we are also holding our finger on the left mouse, we can draw whatever we want. So yeah, let's do this. If we leave with our finger from the mouse, he will drop that line. Now we can also click on settings and change right here the style, right here the thickness, and we can also change right here the color if you want to do that. Then you click on OK, and then there you have it, the line. So this is right here in a nutshell how you can use the drawing tools. If you have any questions about them, please comment them below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.